Everybody knows Nike and is inspired by its "Just Do It" slogan. The brand has been a blessing for all the shoe lovers and sneakerheads out there. Mark Parker is the Chief Executive Officer of Nike, Incorporated. He was appointed as the company's third CEO in 2006. Hello and welcome back to another informative video by Mirror Review. In this video, we will talk about Mark Parker, the man behind Nike, who was the reason behind the happiness of shoe lovers around the globe. Early life. Mark Parker was born in Poughkeepsie, New York, to Bruce and Elizabeth Parker. He graduated from Pennsylvania State University with a bachelor's degree in political science in 1977. Growing up, Mark was into athletics and was an active cross-country participant. Stint with Nike. Mark was a member of Penn State's track and cross-country teams. He began working for Nike in 1979 as a footwear designer at its R&D center in Exeter, New Hampshire. In 1987, he was promoted to Division Vice President in charge of development, then Corporate Vice President to General Manager in 1993, and finally to Vice President of Global Footwear in 1998. Prior to becoming Nike's Vice President, he was co-president of the Nike brand since March 2001. Mark has brought innovative ideas and engineering expertise to the different positions he has served and is helping the company prosper in every possible way. Mark's avid love for shoes. Mark is still involved in shoe design, most notably on the Nike HTM project, where he collaborates with Nike designers and creative consultants to create limited edition footwear. He is committed to keeping Nike environmentally friendly. Mark and his team created the first green shoe that adheres to the principles of sustainability after 10 years of development. He is also in charge of other Nike businesses, including Converse Incorporated and Hurley International. Mark is a modern and underground contemporary art collector. His art collection has been displayed in his office. Mark Parker holds 3 million Nike shares with a market value of $228 million. In 2015, Mark Parker was named Fortune's Businessperson of the Year and currently has a net worth of $250 million. Thank you for watching it till the end. Do not forget to like and share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful videos.